Okay, so another thing we need to learn about sigma and pi bonds is how to quickly look at a molecule and decide how many there are of each in the molecule. So we're going to say how many sigma bonds are there, right? And how many pi bonds are there in this molecule. All right, so we need to count number of sigma bonds. Sigma bonds, remember, are symmetrical around the axis joining the two atoms. And so we have to have one of those for every bond that there is. So this is a sigma bond here. So we have one here, we have one here, we have one here. That's pretty clear. What about this though? When we come to this thing, that's two lines. That means it's a double bond, right? Let's analyze this one a little bit further. So the first thing we have is we have a carbon, we have an oxygen, and we have the first bond is that sigma bond in the middle, right? But then we have another lobe above and a lobe below, and the two of them together, remember, are the pi bond. So we can say that's the pi bond. The first bond was a sigma. So every time you see this double bond, that means we have one sigma and one pi. So every single joining here, every single bond has a sigma bond. So we can just go through and count all the bonds. That's the number of sigma bonds. So let's do that. Let's go first through, I'm going to just go through the whole horizontal chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 2 sticking up, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 sigma bonds because this is a single bond, that's a sigma, that's a single bond, that's a sigma. This one, I counted because the first one of them is a sigma. But in addition, this double bond has a pi bond as well. The second bond is a pi. This has a pi bond, and this has a pi bond. So there's 1, 2, 3 extra bonds. Those are pi's. Those are the only 3 that have extra bonds. So there's only 3 pi bonds in this molecule.